Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on charging sound in Samsung Galaxy S22. So right now when we plug our charger in, we have no sound. For whatever reason, someone turned it off, or we did it and we want it back again. So where to find this option? We have to go to settings, then sounds and vibration, system sound, and as you can see, our charging sound is turned off. Let's turn it on and let's see if it's working right now. So when we plug our charger in, our sound came back. Great. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.